I would say the fact that healthcare has a real opportunity to get smarter, to become more modern and contemporary, and that the way in which the system works and operates is going to change profoundly over the next 10 to 20 years. Think about genetics, right? It wasn't that long ago when that was something that was reserved for, the academic medical centers and the labs. Well, in a few years, it's going to be more or less universally available. Why? Because it is so much less expensive now to extract our genetic data and to analyze that. That's going to change the way in which we understand disease, the way in which we understand treatments and what treatments make sense for individuals. And it has tremendous implications on the healthcare delivery system and the way in which we think about paying for healthcare. Let's combine that now with the fact that our knowledge is going to accelerate and that we have mechanisms like artificial intelligence that allow us to tap into that knowledge and marry that very personalized information with new insights about what works and what applies. And we can see an environment where we can much more effectively deploy learnings and insights into healthcare, and that estimates would suggest can save us billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars every year because of the way in which it impacts treatments and healthcare decisions and how we consider disease. And then finally, the technology of blockchain. Think about how you take disparate data that's distributed in lots of different places and draw off of it in a very secure environment so that it can be utilized, shared, stored in a very secure manner and way. Blockchain has tremendous opportunity to change the way in which we protect personal data, the way in which we share information with patients and across the healthcare system, and really allows this healthcare system that we talk about to act and behave much more like a system than it ever has before. It's an important time in healthcare, and we think that all of this creates a tremendous opportunity for innovative companies to provide real solutions that get at the heart of the needs that exist, whether they be the needs of a healthcare payer, a healthcare provider, or the numerous entities and organizations that are serving the broader healthcare population.